In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you change Gmail phone number. Let's get started. First, launch your Gmail. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now click on the option Manage your Google account. Make sure you are logged in with the Gmail account for which you want to change the phone number. Now navigate to the tab Security and scroll down. Now over here you're going to find the option Recovery Phone. Click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your Gmail's password. Type in that. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find the phone number. You'll need to click on the delete for it. Once you delete that phone number, type in the new one. Now you will be receiving code in your new phone number. You'll need to type in that code. Once you complete this process, your new phone number will be updated on Gmail. So this way you can easily change Gmail phone number. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.